Hey there, Ron LeGrand here. Now, in case you're watching this and you don't know who I am the world's leading expert on quick turning houses. In other words, the old guy, or Moses, or whatever else people choose to call me. I've been at this for about 36 years now, and I've got hundreds of thousands of students making a lot of money all over America doing what I'm going to come show you how to do on September the 8th. I'll be in Pittsburgh by invitation of Pittsburgh REIA. I'll be working with a group, and I love working with the REIA groups. I've been sponsoring them for a lot of years now. And during this one day, I'll bet you, I changed the way you look at real estate. I'm going to show you how to make money without using your money, without using your credit. And I'm going to show you how to take a piece of paper and turn it into $20,000, $30,000 within 30 to 60 days. I'll spend the morning going step by step, teaching you what we do, what I still do to this very day, and I'm also going to spend a lot of time on doing it and getting you out of the way. Look, automation and systemization has made real estate the easiest I've ever seen it in my 36 years. I spend very little time, still do 2 or 3 deals a month, asleep. I do 2 or 3 deals a month, and there's not just much for me to do. I don't spend 5 hours a month in real estate, and yet I still get those big checks. Let me show you how I get them and how quickly you can implement this business and get it rolling for you. So we're going to definitely be talking about how to do it without you spending your time at it, and for very little cost in addition to that. By the time you get through, by the time you go to lunch, which incidentally I'll be buying, you're going to look at this thing differently than you've been looking at it. You're going to see the opportunity, because throughout the morning while I'm teaching, I'm going to have a team there calling your leads for you and making deals right there and recording every single call. After lunch, I'll go over these deals and show you where the exit is and where the money is, and what you should do as soon as you leave the class if you happen to get one of these deals. I can make you the case. It makes sense for you to spend a day with me if you bring these leads and you sleep the whole day. Why not let us make money for you while you're learning what we do? When you leave, you'll leave with a contract. We'll make sure you have one so you don't have to worry about that. And then if you wish, we have follow-up for you, and we'll help you get through the deal to get your first or your next check. After lunch, we're going to go through all the deals that we made that morning, and you'll see one after the other how we turn these pieces of paper into quick money, monthly income, and income later. This is a beautiful business that we're in today, and I want you to see it. Now, after we get through with that deal structuring session, we're going to do a session on what entity you need to do business in, and how to marry up with your IRA so you can do this tax-free. Your Roth IRA is still the only vehicle left for you to operate tax-free, and I want to make sure you know how to use it properly. And then in the afternoon, I'll do a session on how to handle a financial hardship for those who may have had a little trouble in the past, and make sure that everybody's aware that what happened in the past doesn't have anything to do with the future. And I'll share my story with you as well, what happened to me after the 2008 crash. Now look, I'm buying you lunch. Lunch is on me, and I'll be giving away over $10,000 worth of free stuff that day, and a lot of it will be in cash. So go down and get registered right now. Come spend the day with the old guy here, and I promise you it will be a day well worth your time, and especially for the little bit of money that the REIA group has talked me into letting you in the door for. Can't believe how cheap you're getting into this event. So go get registered right now, because we are absolutely going to be full. We will be full long before the event takes place. And if you bring us leads, look out, because I promise you, if you bring us a handful of leads, the chances are really, really good that you're going to go home with a deal. So go get registered now, and I'll see you on September the 8th, bright and early.